Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you whenever you have been launching the Xbox, if you're getting this error, try again later. There might be outage in our online service. Try again few minutes. Just to hit the close to away from this error message. After that, we can go to check one by one these steps to how to this problem getting and how to solve these issues. So we can go to check, visit the down detector, visit to there are any problems or and running issues, check to verify. So we need the web browser, so click to open here, type that Xbox down detector, just hit the enter to search and visit the first website and open here, scroll down, we can go to check there are any problem issues. Here Xbox network problems reported in last 24 hours. So here you can see report there are reporting is increased. So definitely Xbox there are problem running Xbox and also Xbox network issues and Xbox Live. There are coming outage reports. So we away from this web page and you can wait few hours. After that, it will automatically solve these issues. When it solve these issues, you launching the Xbox, then your problem solved. And after we can go to try the these steps. Sometimes you does not correctly update Xbox app, or if you correctly update enable Xbox services. So if you get this error, so we can go to check after this issue solve these issues. So we can go to the Windows search bar and type that Microsoft Store, just click to visit. Then we can go to click on the Windows search Microsoft search bar and type that Xbox and open. Then here there are available update, just you will click to update the latest version. Then if you just you will check there are available or not. If there is available, just download button or install to update the latest version for Xbox. If you did, then you come to back, then you can go to check enable Xbox services. So we can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. We can click to open. Here you visit and check the whether it is enable or disable. Xbox accessories management and Xbox Live Earth Manager and Xbox Live Game Save and Xbox Live Network Service. Here already running, but one or two only stopped. Just you click to properties and select the properties, and here if the service that is stopped, just to start to change and hit the apply and OK to save and optimize that property settings. If it's one time check it, there are running or not. Okay, here already running, then you away from this services. After that, you can go to restart your system. Then wait, you can go to check down detector. There are solved problems. Then you can go to relaunch the Xbox app. After that, your problem it will have solved and open the Xbox. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe.